So a little update on the IMS Solution install. Everything went according to plan. There were two spots. Number one, where you cut the relief for that oil feed line. Next time I got a much better plan. The instructions are vague at best, but now it gets a lot easier. Definitely didn't have to go anywhere near as far to the right. Basically, if you trim up to the end of the steel bolt that you can see there, and you go straight up and back, you only need about maybe 15-20 millimeters. So that was a good deal. And then the second thing was, you see how small the relief is to get your tool in. So a standard box end 12-point wrench does not fit in there. It needs to be a thin wall. It needs to be a wrench because you got to lock it with the flathead screwdriver. So you're only looking for like 12 foot-pounds, not a big deal. But now that I have a wrench made that's nice and thin, we will be good shape for the future. Thanks for watching at BreitWerks. Got a couple more things to install, and we'll videotape them and show it to you. Check us out, BreitWerks.com.